Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me another HEXGEARS keyboard. One of my first HEXGEAR keyboard is the X5, which I totally love. It has wireless. It has, it has wired and wireless. The switch is great because it's the Kailh box switch, and I really love it. So today I got me an X3 because I've had good experience with it. So let's go ahead and unbox this one today. Let's talk through some keyboards here, okay? The one thing about the HEXGEARS keyboard is that there's not a lot of blings to them. They focus a lot on the switch and the keycaps, and then the ergonomics of the keyboards. That's what I noticed with my X5. And so today I'm pretty excited about this one because this is the 10 keyless version essentially of the X5. And voila, this is beautiful. Obviously you can see the color is amazing. Got the yellow and the crimson red type of color going there. So first off, let me just point out something, okay? HEXGEARS is the only one that actually gives me a keyboard cover. I know they're using this just for packaging reasons, but for me, I actually use it when I'm not using my keyboard because I don't like dust just getting in there when I'm not using. I don't play a lot of games, to be honest with you, maybe once or twice a week, and so my keyboard just sits there, and I just don't like dust, the feeling of dust getting into it. Anyway, look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. The X5 that I have, it's all white. Here's the X5. See that? All white versus the X3. And like I was telling you, I did use the keyboard cover here. Yeah, look at this thing. This color is just amazing. Guys, if you have a yellow, like a cyberpunk look to your gaming setup, this is gonna be it right here. You're gonna need this keyboard. The one thing about HEXGEAR that I really love, it comes with a really nice wrist rest. And so let's see if it's in here. So here's the wrist rest right here. Look at the color on it. They literally match the color of the wrist rest. You see this right here? With the keyboard itself. That's just beautiful. So the reason why I like this wrist rest so much is this reason right here. Take a look at this. See that? And it stays on there. I have a Razer keyboard, and the wrist rest is just terrible because it moves this everywhere. This thing attached to your keyboard, and when you don't want it anymore, you just press it in and then just take it back out. When you want to attach it, that's it. It stays in there. This right here is better than the Razer keyboards. Anyway, stuff that comes with it. I know the wires is really good on my X5. So let me just show you that. Really nice braided wires there. It's kind of like a gold tint almost on the tip. It's not silver like the usual USB-C. All right. Comes with a Keycap Puller. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Let's remove the escape keys, obviously. That's the first thing that always goes. Look at that. By the way, this is a linear switch. Really quiet. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. You're probably wondering how the keyboards sound. All right, let's go ahead and do a little key test. Space bar. So the one thing that you're definitely missing from this 10 keyless versus like the full size X5 over here is the media keys. If you look at this, you have all the media keys and the calculator button, of course. Everyone uses that calculator button. Media keys, obviously the 10 keys, but to me, the big drawback is the media keys that you're not gonna get. But pretty much everything else is there. You can't adjust the volume. It's just that the volume button is not dedicated anymore. On the X5, the volume buttons are dedicated, the mute button and all that good stuff. Here, you have to hold down the function button, and then you have your volume up and down over here. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that back here, that's where your wireless dongle is gonna sit, which I really appreciate them being able to attach that. It's not gonna stay on there when you travel, I can tell you that, because it's kind of a magnetic piece. You see that? It will fall out. It will fall out. I mean, you throw this in your bag, I guess it'll be fine, but it will fall out. So it's not one of those where it's covered and you can travel long distance with it. Nice feet, by the way. It has obviously the 2 level feet that you're used to on great gaming keyboards. There is an on and off switch button right here. Okay, so now that I've plugged it in, let me go ahead and dim down the light. I can't really see the keys right now, but I believe like you hold on the function button and these are where you change all the lights. It's been a while since I played with the lighting on this, but obviously the arrow key changes some of the functionality of the lighting. And then these right here change through the mode. So this is like how fast it is. This makes it go slower. That's what I figured out so far. And then up and down, I'm not sure what up and down does. Oh, brightness. Up and down is for brightness. So obviously, as you can see there, there are no like quote unquote RGB. This is purely like I said earlier in the video, HEXGEAR focuses on the key switch itself and the keycaps. The lighting, it's not their main focus, as you can see right there. And also on top of that, they focus on the wireless piece of it. You can actually take this out, you know, put it in your computer, and this keyboard will be wireless. That's mainly the reason why I got this, is because I wanted a smaller 10 keyless wireless keyboard on my desk. And that's the reason why I got this. Yeah, and obviously the aesthetic. I mean, look at this. And this thing is beautiful. This color is beautiful. I'm gonna have to change up my entire lighting back there just so that it can match with this keyboard alone. So, so yeah, guys, that's my quick look at this HEXGEAR X3 right here. Really glad I got it. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.